Hello friends. So here we have an IKEA frame. I have actually two of them. There are some chips over here, some scrapes. It's a little bit wobbly as well over here. This one is slightly better, but it does have a chip over here. So how do I kind of put some life into this? All right, so the first thing that I have done is, this one did have the back cover like this, or the back support like this. So what I have done is, I've taken some cardboard, exactly the same size, and I've placed in here. That way. That's how it's going to look. At this stage I have the option of either decoupaging scrapbook cardstock on top of this, or a scrapbook design paper on top of this, or alright, so I didn't like how this was turning out, so I'm going to eventually go in for plan B, which is the scrapbooking paper. I can be so clumsy at times. There we go. To distress it just a little bit. This one is Tim Holtz. Still can't find my sponge. Can't find my tablet, so I'm just going to use the sponge. That's the distressed look it's going to give. Just on the edge. Now let's start. We're not going to put it all the way down, just give it a little more space to take it behind as well. There you go. And now let's put our element. These are solar wood flowers. They come in this pack. I'm going to take 9 of them over here, and we will stick it with some hot glue gun. There we go. See, my table is a complete wreck. I'm just going to first decide. So it's going to look. Glue gun is hot now, and let's start. We've already glued this one here. Next one. going to keep gluing it. This is how it is. Just going to use the hairdryer or something to get rid of all these strings. I think it looks fine. How do you find it? I hope you like my restoration of the broken frame. I hope you'll be able to subscribe to my channel. I hope you will like this tutorial and share it with your friends. And if you'd like to ask me any questions, please feel free to write it in the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye.